Afternoon, Miss Johnson's class. Today we finished 6.4 area and perimeter of complex shapes. Can you find the area and perimeter of these types of shapes? Yeah. So a complex shape and a complex figure really mean the same thing. Figure, shape, same. A complex figure is made up of what? Two or more basic shapes. And examples of basic shapes are things like
squares, rectangles, parallelograms, and triangles.
As a matter of fact, we have a picture of two basic shapes separated. But if we took those two basic shapes and we combined them into one shape, we would call that a
complex shape.
Sweet. Quick review. Area would be what? And perimeter would actually be the... Remember, it's the distance. Okay, cool. The formulas for rectangles, squares, parallelograms, and triangle, all area, I think should be memorized by now. My one that worries me is the triangle formula for area because it's base times height. And then perimeter, we know we add all the sides together. All right, so we have this thing called chunking. When we have a complex shape and we want to find the area, we do this thing called chunking. Chunking means, let's say this on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
To chunk means to break a complex shape into basic shapes.
So we're going to actually just look at the area for this one first. So this shape was actually, if you look, started like this. Yes, no? And we decided that we wanted to chunk it into two basic shapes because it was not a basic shape. So one of the things that we said we could do is we could cut it like this. And then if we put an X, we have a rectangle and a second rectangle. Are those now basic shapes? Yes. Could have we actually, if we wanted to, could have we chunked it like this? Yeah, we could have had a smaller rectangle and a bigger one, yes? Didn't really matter which one we did, but we decided to do it the way you're looking at right now. Can we find the area of this shape?
Yes.
It is base times height, but there is no base here, right? It's at the top. This 2 is also the same as the base, right?
Yes.
So we got 2 times 10, and then we had to add it to the area of this shape, yes?
Yes.
We said that the base was 6 and the height was 7, right?
Yes.
But isn't the base 8?
No.
No, the base is actually just this part right here, which is the same as that part right there, yes?
Yeah.
8, this 8 right here covers the whole thing. So once you found the area of each of them, the plugins, we multiplied and added them together. Yes, no?
Yes.
Remember for perimeter, we added all these guys together. But I think I didn't give you a couple of the numbers here. Were you capable of finding them?
Yeah.
So if I didn't give you, like if 6 did not exist, and we know the base is 8, and we know that this top little piece is 2, we could figure out that what's left over is 6, right?
Yeah.
Because this 2 and this 6 would be the exact same size as that 8, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, we cool with that?
Yeah.
Okay, a couple more examples. We had a triangle here. How do you find the area of a triangle again, you guys?
Base times height divided by 2.
Divided by 2. Good, 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 good. Down here we had a blobish type shape. Remember our steps for a blob shape. Step 1 is what?
Count all the squares.
Say again?
Count all the full squares.
So we counted all the full squares, the one that were actually a full square. Then we actually combined the outside squares into full squares, yes?
Yes.
So we kept track of these numbers, and in the end we added them together and we got this, yeah?
Yeah.
Why is our answer 50 if we got 47?
Because you can never get the right
Well, 47 is a what?
estimate.
Estimate, because there's no way we can get an exact answer by looking at a blob, right?
Yeah.
We good?